Hello and welcome. In these modern times, in both commercial and residential settings, so much relates to how efficiently the aspects of a building are controlled or even automated. And when it comes to controlling the projects you're working on, you have a variety of ways that your customer can interact with, for example, the blinds, the music, the lighting, through our range of touch switches and control interfaces. And in this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at some of those options. Now, we firmly believe that essential functions such as simply changing lights, raising or lowering blinds, or operating our music, things that we could consider as daily actions, these should be as simple as possible. Now, from Loxon, we have two options for just this. We have the Touch and we have the Touch Pure. The Touch is available in white and anthracite. The Touch has 5 touch points and a temperature and humidity sensor. For the more discerning user, we have this elegant frameless version called the Touch Pure. Of course, the Pure version is also equipped with the same built-in humidity and temperature sensor. If you are not familiar with our recommended switch standard, you can find all information in our video, which is linked in the video description. Plus, a unique selling point of the Touch Pure is the integrated orientation light. On one hand, it will serve as a dim light at night to locate the switch, but on the other hand, it can serve as an effective addition to subtle lighting moods. The Touch and the Touch Pure are available in 3 different technologies to suit a wide range of installation requirements. First is our Tree technology, an award-winning technology that reduces cabling requirements and offers an ease of install. The Touch is supplied with 24-volt DC via the 2 orange-white terminals. The 2 green-white terminals are used for Tree communications. Tree technology is a free-form wiring topology, and you can connect up to 50 devices on each branch of the Tree extension. Loxon Tree cable has been specifically developed for wiring Tree peripherals and lighting products. You can find out more information about Loxon Tree technology in the link included in the video description. For installations where it is not possible to pull cables, we have the wireless version using Loxon Air technology. This version can be either powered via batteries, offering great flexibility for installation locations, or with a permanent power of 24-volt DC. Note that the orientation light of the Pure is not available when powering via batteries. In addition, the 2 touch switches are also available in the 4 Nano version. The Touch is mounted to a Loxon Air flush mounted module. As these modules generate heat, temperature and humidity reading is not available on this option. When installing and commissioning all Loxon products, we have paid close attention to making the installation process intuitive for our partners. With the right know-how, installation can be complete in a few steps. Connecting the cable for power and Tree communications to the device. Consistent color coding and reverse polarity protection adds the ease of install for our partners. The built-in LED of the device will indicate its status. If the LED flashes red, this indicates a potential issue with the wiring. If the LED flashes orange, the device has not yet been paired in config, but is otherwise 100% ready for use. After the installation, the commissioning is done with the help of Loxon Config. After you have started the Tree device search, all Tree devices that can be found are displayed in the search dialog. By simply clicking on the device in config, it will identify itself with a clicking sound, and by flashing the LED on the back. Also in the Pure version, the orientation light will also flash. Next, you need to specify the room and the installation place of the device. The combined T5 input contains all 5 buttons and their standard functions. This provides simplicity in configuration. Of course, the 5 inputs can each be individually assigned. Now, all you have to do is drag and drop the input T5 onto the relevant function blocks. For example, lighting, blinds, and music. You can also connect the temperature sensor to the intelligent room controller block, and the humidity sensor, in this case, to a room ventilation controller block. And last but not least, connect the output orientation light to the lighting controller. Next, save the configuration to the mini server and everything is ready to use. If you're commissioning an Air version, you can follow the same steps. Besides the 2 versions of our Loxon Touch for installation on a wall or desk, We also have some other products that provide intuitive ways of control for your customers. For example, the touch surface, which can be discreetly installed in hard furnishings, behind tiles, kitchen worktops, and more. The Remote Air, a small handy remote control also featuring 5 touch points. Then, perfectly at home in smart homes, we have another 2 devices for control. There is a touch nightlight, a nightlight with integrated alarm function, and the Touch and Grill, a smart barbecue thermometer that integrates with your home. You can find more information and the technical data of our control options on our website, www.loxon.com. To stay up to date with the latest news from Loxon, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now though, and thanks for watching.